Let's eat lunch in bed. Hi, I'm tired. I went to go walking and I'll go direct to the mall. My lunch today is carbonara, pasta carbonara, salad here. See, that's my lunch. Today, I went in Lulu because I crave of salad and pasta. Very long time I did not cook pasta because they don't like pasta here. And I want salad too. Let's eat lunch in bed. I feel sleepy. Because last night I won't be able to sleep properly. Very long time. How many hours only? I wake up early because I went to walking. I cannot finish the salad. Their dressing is not good. No flavor. I'll try to make my own dressing. I'm gonna eat this one. The carbonara pasta. Happy weekend everyone. Just rest for a while and then later I'm gonna shower. I'm tired. I need to go out again because I have an awarding ceremony today in the church. This carbonara, it tastes seafoods. The flavor is flavored clam. You know, when I cook like this, I'm using cooking cream. Chicken, breast chicken, or the turkey ham.